Welcome to Penny Stock Live. So we are streaming after a while right now, but we are consistently updating through our community channel. So if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you will be getting the notifications. So in the community tab, if you see, we were one of the few YouTube channels which were giving a contract trade on ADAG stocks when they were trading in their 52-week lows. So our members had made some nice returns from those investments, especially in ARPAR, REL Infra, and REL Capital. So when their circuits changed last week and this week also, we were giving those messages also in the community tab, even though we were not coming live. So from yesterday onwards, all the ADAG stocks, I mean Reliance Infra, Reliance Capital, and R Power, all are um, right now in the 5% circuit, and we were telling our members to close the position. And yes, from yesterday onwards, it is in a downward circuit also. So we will be coming with this type of trades where you can make some quick money, especially in these penny stocks like R Power. So we were giving contract trade on that when it was trading around 2 rupees 70 paise 75 paise, and it almost gone to 4 rupees 60 paise. So those were, and also we given buy opportunity, we saw some buy opportunity in real capital also. So today one stock which we were seeing is, it's not a penny stock, it's a big stock of 3000 plus, that is HDFC AMC. This stock is coming up nicely from their lows, and all the main brokerages were giving good targets for the stocks, and right now this stock is taken to MCS MSC index also. So we can see that there is a nice up move happening today also. It is staying around 4% up, but in this up move there is some problems which we are seeing in this stock, so that we want to share with you guys. For that, let's go to the BSE site. HDFC AMC, and you can see there is an option called disclosures, and insider trading 2015. So every time this stock was making new highs, that was okay, but what we see in this high, that is a current high it is making, no, we are not that confident about this high which is going right now, because if you see, these are all key persons in the company. You can see that designated persons, they were disposing their shares, and this started from last week of October. And see, you can see till this is November 7th, and they disclosed that on 11th, that is 2 days back. So continuously they are selling in their stocks in the market. So why these key persons are continuously selling in the market if their stocks are going all-time highs? That is a question mark. So you know that even though we were trading or taking trades with a technical in mind, we do some logical trading also. So we are not getting the logic of this type of a trade happening in this stock, especially when stock is eating 52 weeks high. So the current move of stock, we are not that going great. We are not seeing any big opportunity in for a new trader. I mean a new investor into this counter. So even if you are already having this stock, you can hold the position till you can see any technical sell signal coming into the stock. Then only you have to sell your shares. So we are not suggesting our clients to add their position of a HDMC AMC at these levels. So we are not so those who are holding, you can hold. No new position in this counter. At least it gives some nice retracements. If you go to the chart also, you can see the moves happening in this counter. Every day 4%, 5% is going up, especially after that after the stock is added in the MCA index. So if you are looking to add this stock to your portfolio, wait for some time. Let the big moves happen and let it come down. Then you can go for it. But do keep in your mind what I said about the disclosures of this company. So every day this is happening. They are selling out. See, you can see how much. You can say that it will be his financial problem or something. But see the it is not one person selling. You can see so many persons that are designated persons in the company are selling their stocks. So we don't know what's happening in their side, but this is only happening in first time in this counter, because every time the stock was going up, that's okay. This you have to see that also. See this move happened from where this is moving. This is a five year chart. So you can see the entire move of the stock. That was really nice. Those times nobody was selling. I mean, from the designated persons, nobody was selling the stock. This is the first time they were selling. That is, and all these days, stock is hitting 4 to 5% up. So stay cautious about this counter for at least some time. So what we are saying is, so we will be most of the time giving these updates in the community tab, so you can subscribe and get the notifications. Regarding Nifty, if you see, it's a truncated week. So 2 days of trading session left. We are not seeing any big movement happening, and still 12,000 is a barrier for Nifty to cross, and we can see around 34 lakh open interest in those counters. So we are not expecting something on the upside to happen, at least in these 2 days. At the same time, 11,800 is also staying a good support for the market. So you can see some premium eating happening in the counters, most of the counters. So if you have any queries about any particular store, you can comment in the comment sections. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.